Welcome back to the Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer course, and we are just going to take a moment here to introduce you to Section 2 of our course, which we're going to be jumping into in the very next video. What I also wanted to do here was just kind of remind you of what our course is tracking against, and that is none other than the Python Institute's certification. Specifically, as you can see under the certification menu, it's the PCEP Entry Level Python Programmer. Yes, that's the exact certification that we are using as our guide. If you scroll down on the PCEP page, you can find exam information. And there under the exam information, remember, is the exam syllabus. So on the right side, the retiring version, actually retired long ago. And here is the latest greatest. If we scroll down, you can see the 4 sections that make it up. And we are about to start a very fun, very interesting section. I think, especially if you compare it to some of the more dry material that we had to cover in Section 1, you're going to love Section 2. Notice there's 2 blocks of information here, making decisions and branch the flow with the if instruction. So this is great. We're finally going to be really working with if-then type logic, which can allow us to do so much in our programming. I mean, think about the temperature converter that you created moments ago in Section 1. That would have been so great if we could have made it where you can go either direction, right? Maybe the program could have started by asking, do you want to do the Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius? Yeah, if we had if-then type logic, we could easily build such an application. And then notice the second section in here is for various types of iterations. Yeah, one of the things that computer programs are great at doing is doing a task over and over and over and over again, or multiple tasks, doing those again and again and again. It's one of the reasons we love computers, is that they'll do something for us without fail over and over and over again, and can do this so much faster and accurately, more quickly and accurately than humans can. So notice, very excited about this second section. I hope you are as well, to get into some of the more interesting areas of Python that deal with logic and how we can do iterations and things of that nature. So I hope you will join me in the next video where we're going to dive into, you already know what it'll be the beginning videos dealing with the if statement that we have in Python. I'll see you there.